What is this, Daddy?
Sugar.
Sugar. Of course, because in every cake I put sugar, except for my dad's cakes, because every time he makes a cake, they're filled with sardines and vegetable stuff. He's only made 2 cakes in his entire life.
We're gonna make cake. This is my first time making cake, to be honest.
Like real proper cake.
I've been real French cake because I did taste oven cake last time. I like it, and then now today we're gonna make
The
that French.
only cake that Daddy likes.
What ingredient we have? We have yogurt.
I already just said
Go with
it.
it.
Can I?
Okay, 1, and then we keep this as a pot measurement, okay? And then 2 pot of sugar. So we're gonna put these 2 of them.
Really? That's a lot of sugar.
We just based on recipe that we get from online. So we got this is second one.
3, 2, 1. I'm gonna crack the eggs.
We have the 3 large eggs, so 1 each.
It's my second time to crack my egg.
Okay,
I'm
crack it
so
now.
excited. I just poured it.
There we go.
There we go.
Here, how to crack is put like that.
I've finally done it.
Okay. Or you just clean it up the mess from broken egg. 1. Okay, you pour it.
Can I? Whoa. Whoa, that looks so weird. It's yellow.
And then 3 pots of all-purpose flour.
I'm supposed to.
3 pots of this.
Can I?
1.
After, can I?
Okay. 2. 3. Would suggest for a dry pot. It's much better. It's not stick. 3. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So that is the salt. I put 1 salt there. 1 pinch of salt. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Teaspoon?
Is it that teaspoon?
This one?
Okay, that's fine. Put this one. That's it. We mix together now. I don't know how to use this stuff as well, isn't it? Only my wife uses it.
Maybe? Don't mix it too long! Like the bitty bitty.
Turn the oven on. And then dial the knob, this knob 350 Fahrenheit for the heat, but in my case is measured by the Celsius, so I'm gonna dial this around 180 Celsius. So this is 150 and 180 around here.
You have to preheat the oven when you're baking a cake, because if you don't, the cake won't rise properly. It's really important to put a cake into a hot oven. Do you know the other important rule for a cake is you don't open the oven door while you're cooking? Because what that does is it lets loads of hot air out and cools the oven down very quickly, and it also makes the cake go flat. Talk me through what you put in here.
2 duck eggs and 1 chicken egg, because we ran out of chicken egg.
Lovely.
Flour.
What else?
Yogurt.
Did you put baking powder in?
Yes, I did. I put them
All
all.
baking powder in. Oh no, it'll be gross. All of that left of that packet. Oh, it'll taste horrible. Why would you do that? It'll taste like raising agent.
Because it's small amount, I may use it all. Anyway, it's too late now. Let's put it in the oven.
Wouldn't take close. I'm not eating it. I'm gonna try it. I'm ready.
Leave it cook around 30 to 40 minutes, but between that you can check by poking it whether it cooked thoroughly or not. Good, that.
And it's super good. I wish we made it good.
I like it.